What's up, YouTube? Cooking with Carp. We're on a one-day mini vacation to Atlanta. I'm gonna leave this week. We're gonna hit the World of Coke. There's Alyssa walking in front of me. The World of Coke this morning. It's about 11 o'clock. Then we're gonna hit the Georgia Aquarium after lunch, and then hit the Varsity for supper tonight. So we're in downtown Atlanta, World of Coke. Never been to the World of Coke. We went to the Georgia Aquarium last year. We're gonna try it again this year. See if the fish have grown. And there's my crew. There's Angie, Lauren, and Alyssa. We can hit it up, try it out. We'll be back. Here's the entrance. They're giving out free Cokes. The girls are gonna try a free Coke.
We're all in different places, and the one thing that does bring us all here together is our love of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola was made right here in Atlanta, Georgia by Dr. John S. Pemberton. He was a pharmacist here in Atlanta, and he served his first glass on May 8th of 1886. And what he would do to make Coca-Cola is he would use his Coca-Cola syrup dispenser to make Coca-Cola. This is the oldest artifact that we have in the world. It dates back to 1896. And what he would do to make Coca-Cola is he would fill your glass with 1 ounce of Coca-Cola syrup and 5 ounces of carbonated water. He would mix that together by hand, and that is how you would receive a Coca-Cola.
It's so dark in here.
It's dark in here. This is the vault section of the Coca-Cola experience.
This is so cool.
Where they house the secret formula.
Look upward.
Now we're going into the bottle works, dedicated to the Coca-Cola bottling partners of the world. There's Lauren checking it out with a Student of the Month shirt on, Coca-Cola Student of the Month. Still in the bottle works. Really cool. We used to have a Coca-Cola bottling plant in my hometown of Hartwell, Georgia. You got it, Ange? From a beverage to a brand. His bookkeeper came up with Coca-Cola. Thought 2 C's would look good in advertising. Coca-Cola has been called the #1 brand in the world. Yep, cool. Look at all these Coca-Cola dispensing machines. Really cool. Really, really neat. Alyssa's trying the Minute Maid Korea flavor. Push it, sweetie. Good, huh? Thumbs up?
My friend in Arizona have lychee gummies, and I like lychee.
Okay. Hang on to your cup.
It's very sticky.
I know, it's really sticky. This is the World Tasting, which is obviously super popular. Tons of people in here. My oldest daughter, Lauren, says she's going to try all 100 flavors. I don't even see her. I also don't see your mom. we are in the pop culture section of the World of Coke. We got art. Look at all those Santa pictures on the Santa paintings on the wall, baby. All cool. Collector's corner. Kids everywhere. Summer camp. I would advise you to skip the 4D theater unless you want to feel like you got beat up.
Dad, that was fun.
Here we are in the World of Coke gift shop. It's got more Coca-Cola stuff than you could imagine. This is the exit, the last stop until you exit, before you exit out of the World of Coke Museum. And this is over in the distance. You see Angie and Lauren. This is sticking around with me. Let's go check out. They're looking at refrigerator magnets. We collect refrigerator magnets in our house. So Angie looks like she's found one. Let's go see what she's got. Angie, did you find this refrigerator magnet? This is the last stop. That's the one you want? All right, we're gonna end the video on that one. Show the magnet one more time, babe. Which one? I like the circular one. All right. And this has been the World of Coke Museum, Atlanta, Georgia. Day trip for the Carpenter family. Talk to you later. Say goodbye, Liz.